Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How's it going, guys? I hope all is well, inshallah. So today in this video, we're going to be explaining Al-Idgham. And Al-Idgham is actually one of the most important rules of Tajweed. So please pay a very careful attention. So in this video, inshallah, we are going to learn meaning of Idgham, types of Idgham, letters of Idgham, important notes about Idgham, and examples on the rule. So let's do this step by step. So first of all, what does Idgham mean? Idgham means insertion of one thing into another. إدخال الشيء بالشيء, as we say in Arabic. Idgham means insertion or the entering of one thing into another. It also means merging, fusion, or assimilation. But we usually say merging, okay? We usually use the term merging letter. In Idgham rule, the sound of Nun Sakinah or Tanween will be merged into the following letter, and there will be one mushaddad letter of the second one. Inshallah, we are going to explain how we are going to apply this, inshallah. So this was the meaning of Idgham, the insertion of one thing into another. It could be merging, it could be fusion, it could be assimilation, okay? All right, so the types of Idgham. We have two types of Idgham. Idgham with Ghunnah and Idgham without Ghunnah. Idgham without Ghunnah, in which we erase both the sound of Noon in its Ghunnah. Okay, so this is Idgham without Ghunnah. If you don't know what Ghunnah is, you can check out the video that we've made about Al-Noon Al-Mushaddada and Al-Mim Al-Mushaddada. So now the question is, how can I do this Idgham without Ghunnah? How can I erase both the sound of Noon and its Ghunnah? How can I do this? Look at this example. Min Rabbikum. So here you have Noon Sakinah, and by the way, Noon in this case, in this rule, in Idgham, it doesn't take any vowels, no symbols, no vowels, no harakas. Okay? It's just like this. Noon followed by Ra. Noon followed by Ra. So here it's not Min Rabbikum. Actually, it becomes Mir Rabbikum. So here what I did is, I completely skipped the Noon and I also skipped its Ghunnah. So I didn't say Mir or Min Rabbikum. I didn't say any of these. I should say Mir Rabbikum, Mir Rabbikum. Okay, this is Idgham without Ghunnah. Idgham without Ghunnah is really easy. You just need to understand its concept. Coming back to the types of Idgham. What is Idgham with Ghunnah? So here in Idgham with Ghunnah, what we should do is, we should erase the sound of Noon, but not its Ghunnah. Okay? We still have to apply Al-Ghunnah. We still have to do this Ghunnah in this type of Idgham. Let's take an example. Man yaqulu. Man yaqulu. Noon Sakinah followed by Ya. Again, as we just said, Noon Sakinah in this rule, in Idgham rule, doesn't take any harakas. It just comes like this. So here it's followed by Ya. Then it reads May yaqulu, May yaqulu. So here you should say May yaqulu, and not Man yaqulu or May yaqulu. No, you should say May yaqulu. You should do Ghunnah for 2 beats. Okay, so this is the difference between Idgham with Ghunnah, Idgham without Ghunnah. In Idgham without Ghunnah, you should say Mir Rabbikum. You don't do any Ghunnah, you just say Mir Rabbikum. So skip the Noon and say Mir Rabbikum. Okay, in Idgham without Ghunnah, you skip the Noon, but you do not skip the Ghunnah. You should say May yaqul, like this. As we just said, the types of Idgham are 2, Idgham with Ghunnah and Idgham without Ghunnah. Idgham with Ghunnah comes with 4 letters. They are Ya, Noon, Mim, Waw. Ya, Noon, Mim, Waw. Again, Ya, Noon, Mim, and Waw. And they are collected in the word Yanmu in Arabic. Yanmu, which means to grow. Yanmu. This is Idgham with Ghunnah. Ya, Noon, Mim, Waw. Actually, you should memorize this. Ya, Noon, Mim, Waw. This is for Idgham with Ghunnah. Okay? Whenever Noon Sakinah or Tanween is followed by Ya or noon or meme or ya, then you should skip the noon and do غنة. For example, فَمَن يَعْمَل, like this. This is idgham with غنة. How about idgham without غنة? So fortunately, it comes only with two letters, lam and ra. Lam and ra. So here, if noon or tanween is followed by lam or ra, then you should skip the noon and its غنة. Okay? For example, من ربكم. من ربكم. You do not say the noon, you do not say the غنة. Okay, so the summary of what I just said is the letters of idgham are four. They are ya, noon, meme, and wow. This is idgham with غنة. And idgham without غنة comes only with two letters. They are lam and ra. So we can say that all the letters of idgham are six letters. Four letters for idgham with غنة and two letters with idgham without غنة. And all these letters are collected in the word يرملون. يرملون. Now, if you're being asked what are the letters of idgham, you should say they are collected in the word يرملون, or they are the letters of the word يرملون. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Four letters come with idgham with غنة and two letters come with idgham without غنة. Okay, I hope that was clear. So now let's just take some important notes about the rule. So the rule of idgham is applied only in between two words, which means this rule, the idgham, occurs only in between two words. So if noon and any of the idgham letters came within one word, you do not have to apply al-idgham. Example, these words: الدنيا, bunyan, صنوان, قنوان. So here, if you notice, you will find that noon in these words is followed by an idgham letter. However, you don't have to say, or you don't have to apply al-idgham, okay? And you just say them clearly. You pronounce them as you pronounce the izhar. And if you don't know what izhar is, you can check out the video that we've made about al-izhar. Number two, noon sakinah or tanween is at the end of the first word. The letter of idgham is at the beginning of the second word. Yeah, you will notice that noon always comes at the very end, and the letter of idgham comes or appears at the beginning of the following word. In case of idgham, noon sakinah will be written without any vowels, as we just said, and tanween will take these forms, the regular forms, which are two fathas, two kasras, and two dhammas. Now let's take some examples on al-idgham with غنة, merging with غنة. لهب وتب, عمد ممددة, حبل من مسد, مالا وعدده, عابد ما, جوع وآمنهم, بحجارة من, يومئذ يصدر, خيرا يره, رسول من, كعصف مأكول, فمن يعمل. These are the examples of idgham with غنة. It's really important to differentiate between idgham with غنة and idgham without غنة. And now let's take some examples on idgham without غنة, merging without غنة. And just a reminder that the letters of idgham without غنة are just lam and ra. That's it. And it's really easy. So listen to me carefully, please. يَكُلْ لَهُ, وَيْلٌ لِكُلِّ هُمَزَةٍ لُمَزَةٍ, عِيشَةٍ رَاضِيَةٍ, يَوْمَئِذٍ لَخَبِيرٍ, أَشْتَاتًا لِيُرَوْا, أَبَدًا رَضِيَةً, أَن رَآهُ, خير لك, ألم, أكلا لما, قسم لذي نفس لما. Jazakumullah khair for watching. I hope that was beneficial for you. As usual, please do not hesitate to let us know in the comment section below if you have any comments or suggestions. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video and share it with other people so they can get benefit of it, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair, and I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.